Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I wanted to bring you guys some spring shelf styling ideas. So I have this shelf behind me. I actually got it last fall. I love to decorate it seasonally. I decorated it for the fall time. I decorated it for Christmas, Valentine's Day, and now for spring. I love what I came up with for spring, so I wanted to kind of go through how I put it all together. If you guys are looking for some just simple shelf styling ideas, this is what I like. I absolutely love how it looks very organic, modern. I did get this open shelf from Amazon, so I will link that down below for you if you guys are interested, but it's perfect for a little nook in a living room. I've seen them actually used in bathrooms. So these are just really nice. I love the black and the wood. It just matches our home perfectly. I also recently just moved my plant here because it was by our wood burning stove and it got cold again the other day. So my husband had a fire going. I didn't want it to hurt my plant at all, so I just moved it. But it looks pretty next to this shelf as well. Let's go ahead and jump into the shelf styling. All right, so here is a quick overlook of what I'm gonna use to decorate my open shelf. I'm just gonna kind of go through what I think when I'm trying to style. So one thing I always use when I decorate my open shelving, may it be up front or back here, are home decor books. I've started to get a nice little collection going, and a lot of times I just get them from Amazon. I recently got this A Home in Bloom. My cat Pearl's come in to visit. I love this A Home in Bloom. What I love about it is that it's actually smaller, so it looks really good stacked on other books. That's something that I like to do, is just get different sizing, different coloring to add interest whenever you are stacking them. But I also think these are pretty when you lay them open, like that one over there. So there are like labels, winter, spring. I had it open for a while at spring on my coffee table, but then I decided to use it for this shelf. I feel like this is perfect for the summertime. I will link this one down below because, like I said, I did get it from Amazon, but it says A Home in Bloom in the green, and I think that looks so pretty, just a subtle touch for spring and summer. And then underneath it, I have this Call It Home. This is a very popular book, and I have had it in my Amazon cart forever, but I ended up just finding it in store, I believe at Home Goods, so I went ahead and bought it. It's so great to use in the fall because of the deep colors, but I also love it all year round because we do accent with a bunch of these deep wood colors, as you can see. It's just a good classic piece to have. The side font is really nice. So I think these two together look so good for spring and summer. A Home in Bloom, Call It Home. They just complement each other really well. Coming over here, I have a couple more home books. I love this one for spring and summer. It says small space style and it has that green. So I usually keep this in our bedroom, but I did get this from Amazon. And then here's Curate. So I got this from Home Goods. And this is just a very nice subtle book. I love the black font against the gray. And then I'm probably going to stack these together somehow. And then moving over here, I highly recommend that you get one of these book holders if you don't have one already. And I found one just like this on Amazon that I will link for you. But I love these so much. I have two. I have one in our front living room and then one back here, and I usually keep them on my coffee table. I think it'd be pretty to have one in your kitchen to hold a cookbook, but I also love the look of these just on a shelf. And on top of it, I have this spring page open from this Liz Marie Galvin Seasons book. And I just like how it says the spring and it just has the neutral photo. So I'll be using all of these modern home decor books, but another thing I like to add in are antique books. So I have all of these, and a lot of times when I decorate with books, I'll show the spine or I'll show the pages, but this time I'm going to just use the spine showing. I have a lot of my deeper colored ones with some pops of green. If you go to like a Goodwill or any kind of thrift store, they usually always have books, old books that you can just pick up for so much cheaper than getting them at an antique store. I do have some from antique stores, but thrifting old books are my favorite. Also, bookends are such a good idea for open shelf styling. I use them for every single season, but these ones I absolutely love, and I did find these at an antique store, but these just match the theme of my house so much. This ornate look with the black metal, and helps to tie in the other black items I have. Now, I get asked about this lamp all the time when I show pictures. It's very, very cute, and it's one of those chargeable ones, so I love having it on my shelf because it doesn't have a cord, but it has like the gold accent, and then it has this black pleated shade. which just adds some contrast, a pop of color. So I love that it's the gold black and then it has this marble base in this cream color. So using little side lamps, little lamps like this are perfect for shelf styling. They are just so cute, and then they add like a cozy ambiance as well. Now normally I don't think most people would want to use a watering can on shelf styling, but for spring and summer I feel like it's so cute. So I thought I would put this gold watering can in front of my old antique books to add a pop of spring and that pop of gold. And I found this, I think, at Hobby Lobby a couple years ago, but I see some just like this all the time at Marshall's and Home Goods. So I just love the look of these. I even like hanging them on our hooks. So I would like to find maybe another watering can that's like modern. I love that it's very skinny, sleek looking. Another thing, of course, is frames. So books and frames are my main things. And then these ones are just so timeless. I've had these for like 3 or 4 years now, and I still love them just as much. I don't feel like I'm getting sick of them. Hobby Lobby always carries this one, and this one can hang or you can just tilt it, and I just love layering these two. They're so cohesive together, same color palette. So I think layered just adds a nice look. And that's what I'm gonna do for one of my shelves. I did show these peonies in my last video because I've picked up a couple of these recently from Michael's. These faux peonies, they're such a pretty flower, and I love seeing them cascade out of this bowl. This bowl is actually from Marshall's. It was very inexpensive. The size is perfect. It's not too big, and I think it looks so perfect at the top of my shelf. It just fills out the very top shelf that's curved. It can be kind of awkward to decorate that. Well, I think a vase with flowers spilling out is the perfect item to put there. And then peonies are pretty early spring flower, so I was thinking after spring I may keep this bowl and then add some white geraniums or something more summery to this bowl because I just love the look of it. Also, 2 days ago I went to Hobby Lobby and I found the prettiest vase ever. I have been looking at a vase almost identical to this on Amazon, and it was like $70. I'm not even kidding. I wanted it so bad. It's been in my cart. I can't bring myself to do that. Well, I went to Hobby Lobby and I found this beautiful vase. It had a different kind of floral inside, but I knew right away that I wanted it for the vase, and it was on clearance for $15. So what I did was pull out the foam inside, and there's still some foam glue at the bottom, but that doesn't matter because I'm using this stem. So this stem actually came in another pot that I had from Marshall's years ago. I just love how it cascades. I didn't like that pot. It was just very plain gray. It was just very smooth. It was just not my style anymore. So I just took the greenery out of there and stuck it in this, and it gives such a gorgeous high-end look in my opinion. And you all know I love black floral, so this was perfect. I was so excited. I even shared it on my Instagram that I found this beautiful vase. So there are more if you guys are interested in your local. They had quite a few of these. I almost wanted to get another one, but I don't want to have multiple of the same item. But it would be so cute to put maybe utensils in, to put at the end of our bed. This would just match so many areas in our house. I'm really excited I found it. And then for that vase, I want it to sit on top of this box. I actually have 2 of these. This is the smaller one. I usually have it stacked on the bigger one. I had it stacked with both of them back here, but it needed something else. It was just too boring with just 2 boxes on one of the shelves. I went ahead and decided to put that planter on top of this. I found this at Hobby Lobby for a really good price. I just love the wood tone, and then the gold handle just makes it very sleek and modern. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start putting this all on my shelf and show you how I put it together.
Come to the water where you will find peace. Take a step into the river, get down on your knees. Come to the mountain, well, take it in the view. You will find that life is greater than you knew. When you go through the storm, I will hold you, keep you warm. When you stay in the night, I will You're broken and you're shattered at the point of no return. You pick up the pieces and you let the bridges burn. So come to the water.
All right, friends, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, got some ideas. I am thinking of doing my hutch next. Last year, I don't think I even decorated for Easter that much, so I'm excited to do it this year. I just want to pick up a few more items before I share with you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it to the end of the video, I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Have a wonderful and blessed day.